Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a great trading day today. Today is Wednesday, November 1st. We're inside NFP week. A lot of news this morning, Fed rate decision today, and of course NFP week on Friday. But I wanted to show you another example of how powerful and effective the candle filter model can be, how mind-blowing this strategy is. And so today's example is on gold from this morning. So I was already up doing some work and trying to catch a trade or two in the London session before all the craziness started later today, and saw this textbook entry and it played out beautifully this morning. So I will kind of go through this. If you're not familiar, let me back up and say, if you're not familiar with the candle filter and what I'm talking about, I encourage you to go back and look at the first video I posted where I talk about the strategy, I talk about the rules, so to speak, and what to look for. And so go check that one out, and I'll go over things simplistically here in this video. So what we're looking for basically is we're looking for a liquidity sweep. You can either be on the 1 hour chart or the 15-minute chart. If you're on the 1 hour, you enter on the 5. If you're on the 15, you enter on the 1 or 2 or 3. I prefer the 3-minute chart just to kind of filter some of the noise of the 1 minute. But again, that's kind of the standard rule is 1 hour, 5 minutes, 15 minutes on the 1. So anyway, having said that, we got a liquidity area that's been created right here. And then as I'm watching it, I saw this candle basically sweep this area here. So when I did that, I'm thinking, okay, we're probably gonna keep going down, keep down. But what happened is this next candle shot up and closed up like it's gonna just take off with some momentum. So based on our rules, we've got a liquidity area swept. We've got an opposing candle that closed inside that liquidity area. And so once this candle closes, I will go and drop an OTE fib on there. So I set that. So again, liquidity area swept, opposing candle closes underneath that liquidity area, and then I drop down to my lower time frame when this candle begins to form. So this is at 4:15. I'm going to go down to my lower time frame. I'm on the 3-minute chart here, and my 4:15 candle is actually this guy right here. So you can see he comes down and beautifully taps my OTE levels, 62, 61.8 if you guys put yours that way. My 70 level, 3 candles later, it tapped the 79. So looking at the big picture of things on the 15-minute as well as higher time frames, when I'm pretty confident that this strategy or this trade is going to take off and play out, then I will go ahead, and I've started doing this often, is I go ahead and I'll either put a buy or a sell limit, again, depending on your situation that's happening at the time, but I will put a buy limit at either the 62 or the 70 level. So that way when it comes down and hits one of those two levels, I'm in the trade at that point, and I just let it take off from there. Of course, I set my stop loss immediately and then let it go. So I'm on the 3-minute chart here, and you can see this guy just flowed beautifully this morning. You know, once you're in the trade, you can decide, you know, where do you want to put your stop loss? Do you want to get out here? Do you want to get out here? You know, that's up to you. But again, just showing you how powerful this strategy is using the candle filter. As I've said before, I trade EU, GU, the NASDAQ, and US 30. But every once in a while, I'll step outside my box. I'll look at something else, and this one happened to catch my eye this morning, played out beautifully, and you know, it's just a powerful model that you can use for your trading. So again, check out my YouTube channel. I'll be putting more videos on here. I've also linked to my Twitter account, and in this video especially, I actually talk about the Twitter account where I got this strategy from, and he's posted a lot of images there, and I'm just taking it another step further and just providing some visual examples via video for you guys to see how this works. It's like I said, if you've been back testing, if you've even checked it out in your own trading, you can see. I was in a Discord this morning. A couple of people posted that they used it. Got some beautiful trades this morning. Another friend of mine got a beautiful one on GU that he posted using this strategy. So it's powerful, it's effective. I use this in combination with my own strat, and I can't say enough about this. So you guys go back test this, check it out. And again, if you're not familiar with the rules, go back and look at this first video where I go over everything, and again reference the main Twitter account where I got this from, where he goes over the rules there pretty clearly as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will have another video up online shortly. And again, thanks for watching, guys.